How to verify your Cash App to send and receive Bitcoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guide. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can actually verify your Cash App in order to send and receive Bitcoin. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your Cash App, and then you want to make sure to come to the Bitcoin and investing tab from the bottom, and then you again want to make sure you're under the Bitcoin tab at the very top right. So once you've made sure of all of that, you want to tap on this little DMs icon which you see, which is of course a transfer or the trade icon on Cash App. When you tap on that icon respectively, you can see I have not yet verified my Cash App, so it will ask you to enable sending and receiving. So you just want to tap on the option called enable sending and receiving, and here it will say that it needs a little more information about you. So whatever it asks you about your driver's license, your passport, your verification and so on, make sure to scan all of those, and then make sure to actually verify your Cash App with a real ID. Once you verify the Cash App, you can come back and return to the home page, and again you can tap on that icon now, and now if you want you can go ahead and then send BTC. So you can tap on the send BTC option here, enter the amount of BTC that you would like to send, and then just hit the send option, paste the wallet address to whom you want to send, and then just tap on the next option from the top right, and then just confirm your withdrawal again. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then verify your Cash App to send Bitcoins. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.